throw a shopping haul in the middle of this. So I didn't get a chance to do one when I went to Target. So I got this little tank top. It is the Viv t-shirt, and I got this little kimono thing to go over the top of it. Yeah. Let's see if I can fix that. So it's just like blue, and there's a little bit of pink and red in there. I thought that t-shirt would look nice under there. And I got another one of these Spanx shapewear thingies for back support, and you know, hold my tummy in. And I got this cute little, you might have seen this on Instagram, I got this cute little shirt. It is so cute in the back. This is what it looks like in the front, and then when you turn it over, it has tie in the back and lace all the way down the bottom, and it hangs lower in the back than it does in the front. And this is the Knox Rose brand, and I tend to run needing bigger sizes in Target size than I would normally. Well, this is an extra large actually, so that fit, but I don't know, these were 2X, and the tank top was a 3X. Yeah, anyway, I don't really need that big, but I like my clothes to be comfortable. And then I got this shirt, and I got this t-shirt. Yeah, I got a bigger size than I normally would too. I need like a 1X or a 2X depending on the size, but I got a 3X because I've gotten this before and it shrinks really bad. So yeah, and then that's just a shirt I already had. And then I got some wash towels, hand towels and washcloths finally to match my towels in the bathroom. But when I ordered these, I forgot to order another bath towel. So I only have one. I'm going to need to order another one. And these are from Target, and they match my towels that I had done for a refresh. If you did not see my bathroom refresh, I will put a link down below. Alright, I'm going to put this stuff away and clean up laundry and get started on laundry. So, don't mind the tweeting. Yes, the smoke detector is still going off in my craft room, so doing it all the time now, not just when the fan is on. So, the Melissa and Chad from Clean My Space sent me these Maker's cleaning cloths. These are their cleaning cloths to try out and do a review. So, first of all, you need to read all the directions. There's do's and don'ts with them, like it says rinse cloths before laundering, separate cloths before items, use small amount of laundry detergent, launder in cold water, add a cup of vinegar for a fabric softener, tumble dry, very low heat. And then it says don't use cleaning cloths to clean up wax, paint, solvents, bleach, polish, wash use. Don't wash using hot water. Don't wash using fabric softener. Or place in the dryer with dryer sheets or dryer balls. I wonder why you can't do the dryer balls. Don't wash using bleach, and don't dry on the medium or high heat. So there is several different ones in here. I'm going to open it up and use the purple one. The purple and the plum and the sky one are for all-purpose cleaners. And then the matcha, which one is that? I don't know what that means. The matcha one is for glass and electronics. I'm guessing that's the orange one. Yeah, and then the the mango one is, that must be the green one. The mango one is ultra plush cloth, and then the slate one is waffle weave towels. So, all right. So I'm not sure what to use all of them for though exactly. So I'm going to take out the plum one to do the dusting with. So yeah. Okay, I would say the dusting cloth worked really well, and I did watch a video recently where it told you how to use the cleaning cloths, and I will put the link down below. Of course, you can go to makersclean.com or to the YouTube channel, Clean My Space. So, alright, so I thought I would give you a sneak little peek at my spring/Easter decor. I'm not doing a whole lot. I'm not doing a table setting. So I have this runner that I got from World Market a couple years ago. I just have that on there. And then my typical tree rounds with a milk glass with an orange. I'm kind of doing orange and purple and green. Orange, you know, like orange for the carrot. So, and my bunny, which is facing that way, I'll go around the other side. And these are my candlesticks that I got from Goodwill. For a Goodwill challenge a while back ago, and instead of candles on top I have a bird cage that I got from Michael's last year or the year before with a bird in it. I am going to get some moss to put in there too. So this is a planter box that I made for, I want to say I think it was for Auntie Cuckoo's challenge at Christmas time, but I didn't like how it looked on my table for Christmas, so I didn't put it here, but I like it now. It is kind of tall, but I have really tall ceilings, big furniture. I think it looks good. I think it was the floral stuff that I put in there that didn't make it look right. I just didn't like the way it looked. So I did spend a little bit of money on better quality artificial flowers, and I don't know, guys, Hobby Lobby's flowers are the bomb compared to Michael's even. And you know, Dollar Tree, that's hit or miss, and I just went ahead and spent the money. So these are hydrangeas, and I think these are called dog ears, but I want to say they kind of look like sage. I like the way they look. And then these are some lavender flowers, and they were in a bunch, and I broke them up, and I just have moss in here. And truth is, there isn't even a bottom on that yet. I didn't finish it. So there's just some plastic bags in there. I didn't buy any of those foam, what do you call those things? To stick your flowers in, those green foam thingies. I don't know what they're called. This actually is just easier. I don't know. And I have some of these lotus pods that I bought from Target one time. It was a little package. And I don't know, I like how the arrangement turned out, and I like the purple and green colors. And here is another thing to repeat. What's on the other side is the bunnies I've had for a couple of years, and I just tied a little burlap ribbon around them. And I did that last year, and this is a little plate that my son gave me with the other one a couple years ago, many years ago, for Mother's Day. And then I repeated the milk glass that I got from Goodwill with, this is a Dollar Tree candle. And yeah, and then here is the other one that has the love thing. So that's it for now. I don't know if I'm going to add anything. I haven't finished doing this yet. I don't know really what I'm doing, and I haven't gotten my spring Easter stuff out of the attic, and I don't even know if I will. I might. We shall see. All right, I'm gonna finish cleaning. Okay, so this green kind of flat cloth is for glass and electronics. I'm just going to use it for my glass. I don't have any electronics cleaner, so I don't trust using my glass cleaner on that until I get some. So I'm going to do the glass on the hutch right now. have to say, this cloth in combination with the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner works really well. So I did do the outside with a paper towel because it was really dirty. I do see, you see that? But that's because I need to get on the ladder. It's dirty right there, and reach up high. But other than that, there's like, okay, that's on the outside. It looks really good. So it looks pretty good. Just like I said, at the top, definitely still dirty because I need to get a ladder to clean that. All right, I am happy with this cloth, just definitely. Washing dishes off camera. Let me lower you. So this gray cloth, waffle weave cloth, which is huge, by the way, it's humongous. This is for doing things like drying dishes. So I'm gonna dry these dishes here and yeah, and let you know how I like it. I guess I'm just going to hang this here so it can dry and I can use it the next time. That works. Okay, the other one of the other cloths is the big fluffy plush mango colored cloth. So again, you guys, I will put the link down below. I watched the video myself a little bit ago to see the different ways. She has 25 different ways you can use all of these cloths. So she uses this mainly like as a polishing, buffing thing. So after you clean, let's say the microwave, then yeah, that works good. And then you just go over it with the buffing cloth, and there's no need to use Windex or polishing. I think she did use another cloth for doing the refrigerator and stuff like that, but I just cleaned this and wiped this off, and I don't even need it to do that. I might need it for the fridge though. And then she also used it for this. I already cleaned this off, so she actually used this to clean and buff it all at the same time in one full swoop. So I mean, you're not going to really tell a difference because I already cleaned it. So this needs help. That's no cleaning cloth is going to help it. I think I need to use the razor for that. The stove is old. It's probably 14 years old. I'm thinking it's original. And I need to put some olive oil in the pan here. Alright, I got one more cleaning cloth, and it's the same as the purple one you saw me using for dusting. And I want to make sure I use certain cloths for certain things. Yeah, so I'm going to make sure I use this for cleaning the refrigerator only. I really like these cloths. I think I might buy another set. The set she sent me, or Chad sent me, is the, well, both of them, it's their business. The small kit. I guess they have a large kit. So I'm going to, yeah, I think I want another set. So I'm going to use this to clean the refrigerator and the dishwasher. Okay, the dishwasher looks really good, but to be fair, this is a smudge-proof. This is a fairly new dishwasher. We just got it, what, a month or two ago? It is smudge-proof dishwasher, so it cleans up really good. So I think the refrigerator works really good too. And of course, where it really helps is, I've said this before, hands down, the Method stainless steel cleaner, steel for real, is the best stainless steel cleaner I have ever used. So I love that, and it smells really good too. Okay guys, I was going to do an unboxing from Collborative. You guys, if you're new to my channel, I buy my Method and 7th Generation and Mrs. Meyer's products from Collborative. I'll put the link down below. You can get $10 off of your first purchase, and I in turn get $10 credit. So this is thank you to you subscribers. So for both of these packages were free. So I'm going to do an unboxing on another day because this video is too long. So be watching for that sometime this week. Alright, so I'm liking these cloths. So I really like this one for sure. And the size of these are really substantial. Way better than the other cleaning cloths I have. So and definitely you can tell they're better quality and stuff. So this is the small space kit, and I'll put a link down below to where you can purchase those at if you're interested. And today I used the Wood for Good cleaning cleaner, and this is the Method stainless steel cleaner, and I used the glass cleaner, and I'm going to put them in this little basket here, and with the claws. And I'm all out of the wood polish. I'm pretty sure that is what is in that box there. I'm pretty sure that's what I ordered. So I don't use the wood polish all the time. Most of the time I use this. And then every once in a while I use the wood polish. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to continue to clean. I think I'm going to go take a shower. Hubby went to work today on Sunday. Yes, today's Sunday. And he should be on his way home. So I'm going to pop a pot roast in the Kasori, in my Kasori pressure cooker, and take a shower, and then we're going to go for a golf ride while the pot roast is cooking. Alright guys, until next time, enjoy your day.